Lesson 1. I'll start you with the basics. That's the greetings, but I'll make it more interactive this time. I hope you participate. Let's go! Now, good morning in Bisaya, it's maayong buntag. Maayong buntag. Maayong means good. Buntag, it's morning. So it's, repeat after me, maayong buntag. Perfect. Now, afternoon in Bisaya, it's hapon. So, good afternoon in Bisaya, it's perfect. It's maayong hapon. And evening in Bisaya, it's gabi. So, good evening in Bisaya, it's maayong gabi. Perfect. Let's recap. Morning, buntag, afternoon, hapon, evening, gabi. So it's maayong buntag, maayong hapon, maayong gabi. Let's practice. Kindly greet me good morning in Bisaya, please. Perfect. Maayong buntag. Now, kindly greet me good afternoon in Bisaya, please. That's great. Maayong hapon. How about good evening, please? Maayong gabi. Perfect. All right, you did great today. Ganpate kudasai. And this is Teacher Bai. I'll see you on the next one. See ya.